Hello students, now we are starting with the second topic of the same chapter, financial management. The next topic is financial planning, right? Financial planning is an integral part of financial management. Financial management is a wider term, whereas financial planning is a part of it. As you have studied in management, that planning is the first function of management. So, in the same way, financial planning is the first step in financial management, right? So, for managing finance, first we have to plan our finance, right? So, as definition says, financial planning is the process of determining the objectives, the financial objectives, the financial policies, procedures, programs and budgets to deal with the financial activities of a company. So we have to plan, these are the various kind of plans which generally a company makes, right? Objectives, policies, procedures, programs, budgets, they all are different kind of plans, right? If we are making these kind of plans and that are confined to, that are related to financial activities, right? So that becomes financial planning, or in precisely we can say any kind of planning which we are doing that is precisely for financial activities, that is called financial planning, right? Now financial planning basically it talks about, or it has two main functions. It plans or it determines the requirement of funds, right? It determines requirement or need of funds first, and second one is it utilizes the acquired funds. So the role of a financial manager is to first identify the need of finance or money required, right? Second, he has to utilize that acquired money, right, in a very planned or in an optimum way, so that he can fetch higher profits out of that, right? So we can say that there are again the three main functions of financial planning, or three main roles of a financial manager. First, to identify the need of funds. Second, requiring, utilizing the acquired funds, right? Then second is third is, and meanwhile we have to identify the sources of finance. So again the three things are there. We can say the financial planning, it has three things, right? First is requirement of funds, then procurement of funds, identification of need of funds, and then acquisition, procurement of funds. Third one is, once funds are procured, we have to invest them. So that is called the utilization of funds. So generally under financial planning, different plans, they are being made in order to identify the need of funds, procurement of funds, and to utilize those procured or acquired funds. So that comes under financial planning, right?